be a lawyer since I was in elementary school. It was just something in me knew that that's what I wanted to do, and I never deviated from it. I know that's a strange story, but it's really the truth, and I don't even know why. There wasn't, not my parents weren't a lawyer. It wasn't just, there was no event that made me decide to be that, but it's just something that I guess I felt that that was my calling. Being able to defend people and help people through the most difficult times in their life has been a very rewarding time. It's difficult, but being an attorney is one of the only jobs where you have the opportunity to help people sort of through all aspects of their life. Many people come in with a predisposition, especially depending on what kind of law we're talking about, but most people think that attorneys aren't going to take the time to listen to them. They think that they don't really care about them. They think that they're kind of just another dollar, come in, pay me my hourly rate, and that they will pay for every minute, that they'll pay for when we're thinking about them, even if we're not doing anything with them, like working on their case physically. So I think that they don't expect to see somebody across the desk who's really going to listen to them, think about everything, the practicalities of their life, their partners, their children, their families. I just think they don't expect that. They don't expect someone who's an attorney who's going to care about them. My first job for about 8 or 9 years, I worked for very big corporations, Exxon, McDonald's, Darden, doing work defending them. And it was, you still can bring compassion to that, but it's definitely a different feel. The firm overall, the firms where you do that type of work are quite different. They don't encourage pro bono work. They don't encourage you getting out in the community. So I knew that I did want to do something different. The type of lawyer that I wanted to be didn't really fit with that, and I wanted to open my own business because there's a lot of attorneys like me who wanted to do things a little bit differently, but they didn't really have a venue to do that. One of the things that differentiates us is that we're a legal team. So as opposed to if I have a client who has several different legal issues, I don't have to then engage several other attorneys that they're going to have to pay. I could just go down the hallway and say, okay, we have this issue. Can you talk to me about it for a few minutes, or can you work on this with me? It does end up being a more comprehensive legal solution for the client, because most legal problems are not just what, like it's just a family law problem or it's just a probate problem. It's usually a few different problems. To be effective at whatever you're doing, knowing the environment is important. Whether it's people opening a new business, when new business clients come to me, I want to know people to refer them to. I want to know where a good market is for them. I want to know where a good place for them to advertise is. Giving that little bit of extra push, it really helps a client because a lot of times they don't know any of that. We've been in this community, and by getting even more involved in knowing who's here and what resources are here, it helps the client no matter what the problem is.